If you're here in Dublin, then St. Stephen's Green Garden is a must visit. Located in the heart of the city, it's Dublin's most evocative parks. Its central location, ease of access, and historic charm makes it one of the most ideal locations for tourists to unwind and experience Dublin's unique atmosphere.
So come join me to see the stunning beauty of St. Stephen's Green.
St. Stephen's Green Garden has a rich history that is dated back to the medieval times. It was once a common marshy land that was used to graze livestock before it turned into this picturesque garden that you see today. It was redesigned by William Shepherds in the 19th century and reopened by Lord Arden. The garden offers variety of attractions for visitors of all ages. Either take a leisure stroll at the ornamental lake or simply admire the beautiful sculptures. Ornamental Lake is home for a variety of birds like seagulls, swans, and ducks. Visitors can also spend time watching baby swans swimming in the lake. St. Stephen's Green Garden has several notable monuments. They are not only visually striking but also serve as important reminders to Ireland's history. Each monument has its own history, and if you are interested to learn more about it, then check out the description. If you have kids, then St. Stephen's Green Garden has a small children's play area to keep your kids busy. It's a nice place for kids to have some fun and mingle with other children. This park is renowned for its beautiful flower bed that is carefully maintained throughout the year. Summer is the best time to see maximum number of colorful blooms. You'll easily spot roses, daffodils, tulips, and many more. It actually keeps changing every year. If you love walking and want to meet your daily step count, then what could be better than St. Stephen's Green Garden? The garden is 22 acres in size and it has a network of paths that go across the lake winding through the garden. There are plenty of benches all across the garden and around the lake for you to sit and relax for as much time as you want. Also, you'll find plenty of people enjoying their meals in this beautiful garden. So if you plan on staying around the area for long, then St. Stephen's Green Garden can be the best place for you to have your lunch. Throughout the year, St. Stephen's Green Garden hosts multiple events like seasonal markets and cultural festivals. Check out the local listing for upcoming events that is linked in the description below. Because St. Stephen's Green Garden is in the heart of the city, it's super easy to get to this place. If you're in the city center, then you can easily walk up to this garden. If not, it is also easily accessible by using public transport. There is a bus stop and a tram stop right outside St. Stephen's Green Garden. So do not worry if you don't have your own mode of transportation. If you're visiting St. Stephen's Green Garden, then you can also visit Grafton Street, which is the most popular shopping street in Dublin. Grafton Street is right across St. Stephen's Green Garden, where you'll find multiple takeaways, restaurants, and pubs. Grafton Street is also known for its street performance, where artists show off their talents. So if you're visiting St. Stephen's Green Garden for the first time, then you will easily end up spending at least half a day covering Grafton Street. So I hope you've enjoyed those stunning views of this garden in this video. And I'm pretty sure I've convinced you to make St. Stephen's Green Garden your must visit when you're here in Dublin. After you visited the garden, then don't forget to let me know how you thought about it in the comments below. Also, feel free to let me know on what topic I should make my next video on. By the way, I'm Deepthi and I make videos for people who come to visit Dublin. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video I've made today.